Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Amazon Flex app. First, download the Amazon Flex app from your device's App Store. Once installed, you'll need to complete the registration process, which includes providing personal details, undergoing a background check, and submitting tax information. Ensure you meet the basic requirements, such as being at least 21 years old and having a valid driver's license, before you begin. This initial setup is crucial for activating your delivery partner account. After setting up your account, navigate to the Offers section within the app to discover available delivery blocks. Each block clearly displays the estimated earnings, the specific delivery area, and its expected duration, often ranging from 2 to 5 hours. Carefully review these details to select blocks that align with your schedule and financial goals. Accepting a block reserves that delivery opportunity for you, so choose wisely. When your block begins, arrive at the designated Amazon pickup location at the scheduled time. Use the app to scan each package, confirming your pickup before loading them into your vehicle. The Amazon Flex app provides turn-by-turn navigation to guide you efficiently to each customer's address. After successful delivery, mark the package as delivered in the app. If any issues arise, like an undeliverable package, follow the in-app instructions for resolution. You can easily track your earnings and payment history directly within the Amazon Flex app. Payments are typically processed 2 times per week, usually on Tuesdays and Fridays, and deposited directly into your bank account. Should you have any questions or encounter issues, the app's comprehensive help section offers answers to frequently asked questions and provides access to support resources. This ensures you always have assistance readily available.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.